Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss with you all about some of the important problems based on square and square roots. See here, to find the least square number divisible by each 8, 9 and 10. First of all, while we are going to find the solution for this question, you have to search the smallest number which must be divisible by 8, 9 and 10, and it should be a perfect square. For this purpose, first of all we have to find the LCM of this number, that is the least number divisible by 8, 9 and 10 is equal to LCM of 8, 9 and 10. You know how to find the LCM. 2 4 ja, 9 ja, 5 ja, and therefore LCM will be 2 into 4 into 9 into 5. You already know about it. It will be 4 2 ja 8, 8 5 ja 40 and 49 ja 360. It is actually, while we find the prime factorization of 360, we get 2 into 2a square, 3a square into 5. 4 will be written as 2a square and 9 will be written as 3a square. Here 2 and 5 are left unpaired and 2 and 3 are already paired. Therefore, the least perfect square number divisible by 8, 9 and 10 each is equal to 360 into, we have to give another 2 and another 5, 2 into 5. While we are multiplying it with 2 and 5, this will become a perfect square and this will give 3600. Here, now we have to find the square root of these numbers by long division method. The numbers are 784, 4489, 10404 and 92416. Previously you have learned how to find the square root using prime factorization method, and this is how to find the square root by long division method. Let us start with the first one. Given number 784. First of all, we have to write 784 and then make pair from right side. First pair, in the next, this is not paired, it is alone. Now we have to draw a line in this way. Now we have to search a number whose square is just before 7, and it will be 2. When 2 is multiplied by 2, it will give 2 to the 4, and this will give 3 on subtracting. You have to add these 2, 4. 2 and 2, 4. Here we have multiplied 2 to the 4. After subtracting 4 from 7, we get 3. And here you have to write one of the. Now we have to take the next pair. It is 84. And we have to place a number after 4, which when multiplied by the same number give 384. This will be 8. 8. 8 जा 64. 8 4 जा 32 and 6 38. This is 8. And on subtracting we find all are 0. Now the square root of 784 will be 28. In the same way, if we consider on the second number, given number is equal to 4489. Now we have to make the group of two numbers from right side. First pair, second pair. This will be given, and like this you have to draw another line. You have to search a number whose square is just before 44. 6 6 are 36. If you are taking 7 7 are 49, which will be more than 44. And therefore we don't have to take 7, we have to take 6. 6 6 are 36. You have to write 1 6 here. Here we have to add 6 6 12. Now we have to subtract 36 from 44. It will give 8. And the next pair 89 will be taken here. Now we have to place a number here. When it will be multiplied by the same number, the result will be 889. So we have to choose a number. 7. 7 ja 49, 7 2 ja 14 or 4, 18, 7 1 ja 7 or 1, 8. Here 1 7 will be given, or on subtraction all will be crossed. And therefore the square root of 4489 will be 67. In the same way, we proceed for the next number, that is 10,404. The third number is the given number 10,400. Now we have to write here 10,400. On grouping from the right side, in pairs we find 2, 2 and 8, 1. Now 1 will be multiplied by 1, we will subtract 1, there will be nothing. On adding 1 and 1, we get 2. Here we have to write 1. And we will take the next pair 0, 4. This 0, 4, while if we are going to place 1 also, then it will be 21. Here 0, 4. 21 is more than 4. And therefore, we have to take another group. 0, 4. Next 0, 4. And here, on taking one pair, the calculation is not done. It is not possible to proceed. And therefore we have to take 1 0 here and another 0 here. Now we have to take a number such that which when will be multiplied by the same number, give 404. It will be 2. 2 2 ja 4. 2 0 ja 0. 2 2 ja. On subtracting we find nothing. Here 2 will be given, and therefore the square root of 102. 10,404 is equal to 102. Now the next number, fourth, here the given number is equal to 92,416. In the same way, when we are going to make pairs 9, 2, 4, 1, 6. This will be first pair, second pair, and this is alone. In the same way we will proceed. 3 3 ja 9. Nothing. On adding 3, we get 6. Here we have to write 3. Here there is nothing. We have to come to the next pair. It is 24. If we are going to place 1 also, it will give 61. 61 is more than 24. And therefore, we have to take the another pair. And for this purpose, we have to take 1 0 here and another 0 here. Now on multiplying the number by 4, we get 22,416. And therefore, the square root of 92,416 is equal to 304. Now we are going to discuss another problem. Find the least number which must be subtracted from 7,581 to obtain a perfect square. Find this perfect square and its square. Here the given number is equal to 7,581. It is not a perfect square. And we have to subtract a number from this to make it perfect square. That is, the perfect square number will be less than this number. Now we have to use the long division method. We have to make pair from right side like this. 8 8 64. We left with 11. Here 8 will be given. Now the next pair will arrive here. 8 8 16. On multiplying it by 7. 7 7 49. 7 6 42 and 8 4. 7 7 49. 7 6 42 and 4 46. 7 1 7 and 4 11 minus 9 2 7 minus 6. This is extra number. When this 12 will be subtracted from this number, we will get the square of 87. Therefore, the least number to be subtracted to get a perfect square is equal to 12. Now, perfect square number is equal to 7,581 subtracted 12. 11 minus 2, 9. 7 minus 1, 6. 7,569. Its square root. Its square root. Root under 7,569. This will be the square root of 87. This is first answer. Perfect square number this and its square root is this. Now you will be provided a sheet in which some of the problems based on the problems discussed today will be given. You have to solve them and thereafter you have to use your book. Thank you.